You guessed it. I'm coming back at you again with another GUDETAMA custom. You know what? Look, I did the last video. Everybody was like, oh my God, what you did? Yeah, my millions of subscribers and viewers. I know. So guess what? I'm coming back at you again with the GUDETAMA custom. But this time, it's going to be on a Kanken wallet. Ooh, look at that. FJALLRAVEN, travel wallet, whatever. We're going to put that lazy egg on there. Because who wouldn't want to be an egg? Who wouldn't want to be a lazy egg? That's the life right there. That's my preference, though. And look, we got something on the back. And this your sneak preview, so no complaining. You got it. You got it. So I'm going to show you just how to do this. And look, I got a few other ones, too. Got a little pink one. I got a yellow one. Oh, I thought that was upside down. So I'm going to show you how to do these. And it should be a good time. There it is. That's it. That's the custom. GUDETAMA custom lazy egg, marinating cheeks, quarantine season. That's all she wrote. I hope you liked it. Had a good time doing this. It's real easy to do. Not too hard. So remember, elementary level customs out here. So if you give it a try, let me know how it went. If you liked it, if you had fun. If you hate me, dislike me, I don't know. I see you though. I see you next time. Bye.